Well, it hasn't touched yet. Keep going. Alright, so there it's touching. Ah, yes, he's sitting back there. Now, we're all aware, at least in my opinion, that GM really dropped the ball when it comes to the new Silverado ZR2. Wasn't wide body, didn't have long travel, and it came with 33s. Basically the smallest tire you can get on any 1500 nowadays. 33s are not big. So today's video, I'm going to fix that. We are putting 35s on this. They're on it right now. I'm kind of standing in a position which is hopefully blocking you guys from seeing the wheels and tires. They completely changed the look of this truck. First mods for the ZR2 today, and they are big mods. Obviously you guys saw the title and thumbnail, new wheels and tires, 35s. Don't think they're gonna fit, but we're gonna try. They're more aggressive offset. They're 18x9 -12 offset, so I'm hoping they sit flush or a little proud maybe of the fenders. We'll see, which is gonna make fitment even harder. Don't have a level or anything on this thing. This is completely stock, and we're just gonna see how it works out. But first, gotta clean the truck because it's filthy from the drive back from Buffalo and because of all the rain we recently had. So can't put brand new wheels and tires on a dirty truck. Gonna clean it. Evan's gonna clean his hood stack Cummins, and then we'll get to work. What a lineup we got here.
Dude, I know. I don't know if your driveway can take two full-size trucks, you know?
A new Silverado ZR2 and a hood stack Cummins. I'd say, yeah, she needs a bath there, buddy. Hey, nice boots.
Hey, thanks, dude.
Let's get to washing. This thing is filthy. Front's covered in bugs. It's pretty gross.
And this is gross because smoke.
All right, trucks are clean, so it's time to reveal the wheels. You guys want to see what I got? Let's open them up. So I want the fuel shocks. These are 18x9 -12 offset. Never had fuel wheels before. Figured I'd change it up a little bit from the methods on the Colorado. I really like methods, but most of them were back ordered and I didn't want to wait. I wanted to get this thing on 35s ASAP. And the tires are the Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXP. I got them in a 295/70/18. which is just a hair under a 35 and not as wide as a 35/12/50, in hopes it'll help them fit. Comment below if you guys think they fit or won't fit. I'm highly guessing that they won't. And I did go with the black lug nuts as well, and tire pressure monitors in all 5, just like with the Colorado, because I hate tire pressure lights. Don't know if they'll be able to be programmed by me. I'll probably have to take it to a dealership. We'll see. And if you notice, I did get 5 of them, so we're also going to see if the 5th one will fit in the spare tire location where the factory full-size spare is. Also not sure about that. Let's get the truck up and test them out. All right, well, throw this other front one on since it's already jacked up, and then set it down and see how it looks and where it's going to rub. Here goes nothing. Jeez. They look awesome so far. They look like the -12 offset is perfect if you want to be basically flush with the fender. I mean, it's like right there. Maybe just a touch of poke, but I love the way they sit. I'm gonna get the rear on before we go about turning the wheel and all of that and seeing where it rubs. I'm just absolutely certain it's gonna rub. Before I do the full reveal, which it looks really good, I'm gonna try to drop the spare tire and see if this will fit up in there. It is a bigger tire, so I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out. Here he is using his tailgate already. Oh, there she comes. All right, also before the reveal, we're gonna do some testing to see if and where it rubs, which it's gonna, but they are on there looking freaking good. Ooh, I also need to get gas. It's shocking, I know this gets great fuel economy. All right, steer for me, I'll tell you when to stop, because it's, yeah, she gonna rub. Keep going, keep going. All right, hold up there. Well, it hasn't touched yet. Keep going. Is that full lock? All right, so there it's touching. Not a ton, but it's touching.
I feel like I hear it over here.
Let's see it over here. Ah, yeah, she's hitting back there. All right, turn it back. Yeah, yep, she's rubbing. Now keep going. We'll go the other way. Yep, all right, hold up there. That's rubbing good for sure. And it's rubbing back there. Note to self, don't go full lock. Let's see what it's like actually driving it. All right, no strange noises, nothing feels off, no vibrating. So far, so good. No rubbing, no rubbing. All right, cool. Yeah, they don't sound loud.
No, not at all.
Yeah, I'd say similar to how it was with the stock wheels and tires. Will she rub? And we're making a standard left turn.
I'm gonna say no.
No? Okay. So we might only be rubbing in parking lot situations.
Oh, heck yeah.
It's not bad.
Feels good. Sounds good.
But don't you feel like that was more engine noise than exhaust?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
there's like there's no engine. I mean, there's no exhaust note at all. But we gonna fix that. No rubbing during normal driving. All right, that's good news. Because I was worried I was gonna have to take these off like immediately, but so far, so good. We're entering a parking lot, just fine. Oh wait, here's a curb. No rub.
Crispy, yeah, that boy brisk me. Head to toe, I'm gleaming, yeah, I know they can't miss me. See a boy a mile away, my kicks is really hitting. Looking like that meme, then them boys really spitting. I just put a ISO logo on a damn sweater vest. I got little money, watching power, give us our respect. Damn, I be so fresh, and them boys be so clean too. Had them looking mad hard, damn, I didn't mean to, yeah. Fresh Air Force Ones, then them things crispy. 2-piece, got them all jelly, get a biscuit. Going hard in the paint, I'm feeling like no whiskey. Ball out on them if I really wanna do it. Spot up or dribble, shooting. Drip on point, peep the execution. On a higher resolution, now you gotta see me do it. Now you gotta see us on it. I don't even gotta flaunt it, I'ma put us all up on it. Big tracks, jumping out the duffel bag, boys. Big man.
Well, boys, what do you think of the new wheels and tires? I absolutely love them. The fitment is Perfect, if you don't mind a little rubbage. So that whole test drive I just went on, they didn't rub once. So normal intersection, normal turns, stuff like that, no issues at all, which is excellent. Now, the only time it'll be an issue is like parking lots and stuff, which I'll have to keep in mind. Now, I will let you guys in on a little secret. I have a leveling kit coming for this truck. Will that fix it? I doubt it, but it should help. We will find that out in an upcoming video, and this leveling kit very well be temporary because using a leveling kit just for a regular Silverado, I'm assuming someone's going to come out with a kit for the ZR2 that may encompass a little more than just a spacer. So we'll just have to wait and see, but I'm hoping that'll help a little bit. Plus, I'd rather have the truck sit level anyway. Guys, let me know what you think of the new wheels and tires. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I try to answer every question I get to. If you'd like to support the channel, I have merch on boostedapexdesigns.com. I'm going to spend the rest of the day installing more mods on the truck because there's a whole bunch left. So we will see you guys in an upcoming video.